सामने देखिए मैम। मैम सामने देखिए ना मैम।
Ramni center. On your right, sir. हो गया?
तो किसको टेक्नो पसंद है कि नहीं? Who likes techno music or Bollywood music? How are you?
Look center here. भाई गिम्बल थोड़ा सा
ये दिखना चाहिए।
यहाँ पर
Home, just imagine what she must be going through.
सर लुक सेंटर प्लीज।
भाई थोड़ा साइड हो जाना प्लीज।
कार्तिक से लुक किया सर फोटो के लिए।
थैंक यू
फोटो सर।
Thank you very much. Thank you.
यहाँ पे
थैंक यू
सर सामने देखिए।
थैंक यू
सर।
I would like to wish UK all the best. He's so amazing and he's been performing globally and having fans all over the world. So congratulations my brother and looking forward for a super rocking night and looking forward to collaborate also together with both of us. Thank you.
राइट सर फोटो देखिए सर कौशल सर की तरफ। कौशल सर नाराज हो जाते हैं।
मैं देखता हूँ अभी सुन क्या होगा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं है सामने बात कर लूँगा
Hi sir.
Yeah, look center. Thank you. Thank you.
Right.
ट्रेन में फायदा
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, sir.
या लुक सेंटर भाई गिम्बल थोड़ा सा बैठ जाए अभी अगरबत्ती मत घुमा क्या
वेट मैम वेट।
फोटो के लिए
Thank you.
Back to back.
सारे हो गए सारे।
क्या बात है
She's my dear friend. We both are DJs. A lovely girl. She has to play now. She's gonna play. She'll boil the floor. So you take a single picture. Thank you. Tonight is a night for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Can I keep my bag here? Right? Thank you. Thank you so much.
On your right, madam.
Thank you.
Lot of luck and
Thank you.
more success.
And as you are a fashion designer, and I am fond of good clothes, so we have to connect again.
All the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
रेहान लिप्स नीचे गिरना चाहिए मैं घर पे जब तैयार हो रहा था मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया मैं ये शर्ट पहले पहन चुका
Tomorrowland girl. Excellent. Tomorrowland.
That is a night. Yeah.
Techno girl.
नाही झूम केल्यावर एक सूट मध्ये घरी जा
managing to follow your passion along with pursuing your career and your life. Great. Wonderful. God bless you. We will be patient. I missed your name though.
Thanks for coming. Thanks.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन, ऑल द बेस्ट और ब्राइट फ्यूचर कह सकता हूँ। और सर को आज मैं पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ, तो आगे भी उनका फ्यूचर अच्छा ही रहेगा। और सर आपको
आपकी
भी सेवा रहेगा, कल सेवा रहेगा तो याद करना सर।
Keep blessing, sir. Keep blessing. Many new things to learn from you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. There's no going back.
I am absolutely sure you're pursuing it along with your work, along with your career, along with your...
Yes.
So I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
Indeed.
Looking forward.
Likewise.
Thank you. All the best.
And see, so I've
Oh yeah, I like
I've done this.
I love the customization.
Yeah.
Very nice.
No. Let's take a picture. It's a red carpet. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh yeah, I'm so excited.
Like for the techno night, it's usually not my honor, so I'm more excited because of that. That देखते क्या होता है. I'm quite curious कि क्या होने वाला है, and since it's his first anniversary, so I really wish him, like lot many more anniversaries. This is the first one. You're going there. Thank you. Hi. Oh, happy birthday. I am more of this jazz kinds and then Bollywood, and I'm still that 90s kid who loves A.R. Rahman music. So I am that, which is why I'm like, okay, let's try techno night tonight. Yeah. Okay, perfect, done. Yes, वापस आके.
Tonight I'm so there, and it's your birthday. आपको special message क्या कहना?
I think I'm really excited. I love techno and I'm on great. Tonight I'm going to laugh all night. My friends are going to laugh all night. It's my birthday. So yeah, it's like rock star.
What is the kind of music that you
Wait, थोड़ा सा.
dimensions?
I've always felt that hip hop music is something very good about it. So my gets you free. You hit all genres. Music is but for my kind of taste, that I've always been really excited.
Thank you.
So it's been a year now, and I've been working on it a lot. So I'm just not a DJ. I am also a director at a company. So I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. My work is until 5 p.m. After 7 to 10, I work on music, and I have a family as well, a small kid, wife. So it's been an exhausting day, and it's exhausting year. But finally, I completed a year now, and yes, I'm proud of myself, and want to grow more. It's just 1 year now. I want to grow it more. I want to grow to a level where I want to achieve it, and I will achieve it. And yes, it's been a very crazy ride, but I'm enjoying it. I mean, very few people get to follow their passion, in which I am one of it, and I'm lucky. Thank you very much. Yeah, so I tell you one thing. I went to Vizag. I was called to Vizag to perform a night, and the crowd was so phenomenal there. I stand up on the stage and I was dancing with them. People came onto the stage and they were dancing with me, and that was a night I felt, okay, I can make people vibe along with me. That was a night I felt, okay, yeah, I'm a good DJ. Correct. So I'll tell you one story. So I was a proper Bollywood music fan, and that too a Pardesi Jaya Nahi type music. But one day I went to Goa, I heard techno music, and trust me, there's no looking back. And then I used to party for 2 years, and then I thought, okay, no, I mean, if I am on this side of the stage, I can be a DJ. I can present myself, I understand music, why not, let's try. And my passion is turning into a professional thing now. And I'm very lucky for it. I'm enjoying it. So yes.
How does the second year look like? Will you be embarking on 2026? The first time you just got over. What's in store for the next year?
It's gonna be very much promising. So in last 1 year, I was able to share the stage with many big tomorrow artists like Artbet, Cassian, Masano. This is just a start. My aim is to be a Sunburn artist, and maybe I'll play in Tomorrowland, maybe next year. Yes, as you know, that techno music is growing in India, and as I've told you, I was a pure Bollywood fan, but once you listen to techno music, it's at the peak. So once you go there, there's no looking back. Trust me, obviously I love Bollywood, but I would strongly suggest don't just stick to Bollywood. Try music. Music is love. Music is life. So keep trying new music, and you'll love it. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for coming.
So I love music. Music is like a very important part of my system. And techno per se, he specializes. I went on his page and I wanted to see what he specializes in. Techno hai, but we've got a little funk added to it, which makes it even more interesting and just not like basic techno. So I'm excited and I'm going to rage tonight with all of y'all. That's so techno is very difficult to choreograph. If I have to put literal steps to techno, I don't think it's the right way to express yourself, because techno has its own rhythm and everybody got to follow their own rhythm. So, I mean, if I have to choreograph, then it's my job, then I'm going to do my job. But I would rather prefer for a music like techno. People explore their own little bit and I choose what looks nice and put it together. Thank you.
So first of all, I'm given to understand that DJ Okyo is an entrepreneur too, and he's pursuing his passion as a DJ.
I love the name, the title that he's given to his passion, which actually means live in the moment. Wish him all the best. He's supposed to be a specialist on techno music. So techno is all about how the individual play, the DJ handles it, the treatment. I'm looking forward to the way Ukyo handles the treatment of this techno music. Looking forward to the evening. Yes, all the best. Thank you.
So sir, once you start.
check done.
I was just watching him talk, and it's so amazing. The passion that he has towards music reflects it. I'm looking forward to hear it. And with the sound of it, the excitement, the passion, the energy, I know it's going to be a good night. So looking forward. And all the best. And of course, Aziz's birthday. So another year of glory, another year of achievements we are going to have. And all the best.
Tonight's going to be a good night.
Look center.
Yeah, in my camera,
I think firstly, congratulations to a lovely place like Solaire. And I personally love techno music. I'm a great fan of music. So it's Aziz's birthday and Ukyo's, DJ Ukyo's first anniversary. Congratulate them and let's party and be happy. Thank you. Thanks.
Congratulate everyone for a great 1-year anniversary, and I just hope for the best that the event is amazing. As I'm not a techno lover, but I'm looking forward, and I hope the event goes really well. And I just waiting for you all guys to join us there. Thank you.
You bring Goa to Bombay. Yeah.
100%. If I'm a fan of techno, then 100% I'll be the permanent customer for them. Thank you so much.
Ukyo is here, and I have a connection with Club Ukyo in Goa. And
Yes, likewise.
Ukyo is going to bring Goa back to Mumbai, and we are looking forward to his playlist.
Yeah.
And happy birthday to Azizi. It's your birthday also?
It's anniversary. Yeah, Aziz's boy is inside.
Ah.
Yeah.
And Azizi's birthday, so both are two good friends and dear friends, and looking forward to a rocking evening this night.
It's a birthday party and anniversary party. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Thank you.
Cheers.
यार दिख ही नहीं रहे हो तुम लोग।
आजा निवी, कम निवी के साथ, कम निवी के साथ। Struts, come. Come. Hi, John. How are you? So good to see you. Aja. Come. Please come.
तू बीच में आ जा।
Yes.
No, it's like funny.
Oh, as a deal. Oh, wow.
जैसे आपने कहा, it's going to be an amazing night. आज क्या फ्राइडे है ना?
Saturday.
आज Saturday. See, I've lost all track. But Saturday night techno, the man is here. It's going to be awesome. काश आप लोग आ सकते, but जी हाँ sneak in सब आ जाओ.
Gate crash कर लो.
Gate crash कर लो.
पारुल जी मैच कर लेगी.
It'll get more rocking because of these guys. Thank you.
Let's rock the floor, yes?
Thank you.
2 times.
Likewise.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yeah. So we're gonna have a lovely time. Sorry.
No, come. I'm waiting for him to play, and I'm really looking forward with his shades.
Yeah.
So let's kill it.
Let's do it, guys.
Let's create Tomorrowland here.
Yeah. Thank you. Let's boil the floor, guys.
Thank you.
I'm very excited. Ukyo is a very nice DJ. He is very good in techno. I've been attending his music every time, so this is my best time here. 1 year की anniversary, and Aziz is my very good friend. I think उसके लिए यहाँ होना ही था. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, Farooq. Thank you.
Without the phone, pocket यही तो है.
Because that's क्यों
I love your attire, man.
I love your
Excellent.
Love your
excellent.
music, bro.
Thank you. I'm sure you like it.
Yeah.
Tonight is the night.
Tonight is the night. And you are playing it well. Yeah. Swapnila is coming. She's my friend.
She's a heart.
ठीक है ठीक है बस हाँ ये ठीक रहेगा हाँ ठीक है ये ठीक रहेगा नहीं नहीं ठीक है सुबह सुबह मैं मरीना चले जाऊँगा फिर मैं वहाँ से समय से निकल जाऊँगा ओके ठीक है बिल्कुल ठीक है बस
बिल कौन बिल है ऐसा नहीं मालूम है क्या है